Today we're eating pizza. And like and subscribe.
Hello. Today we got a surprise visit from our friend who lives in Milan. He's a friend of my husband, childhood friend, school friend. So we are having pizza. I will show them. This is
Nice to meet you guys.
this is Diana, and they have a beautiful, handsome baby boy. So we are so happy to see them. We could not meet very often, but today they came to visit us, so we are so
My
happy.
feet hurts here.
Okay, manja. Okay, cái pizza này để hele fe
Riarielli.
pronounce Stacy. Ancam to salsicha na sausage mo. Sausage hiya hi ku ke kanedi. Apa na hile, mimi pa na hile bangen edi. Mimi pa nang bangen na ne.
There is sausage, speck, salami.
Okay. Ka pizza tuam mo mi khadin khat. Michelle hile mimi na nga bange genole.
Mine is with rooster and cheese.
Sausage. Sausage to cheese. Amazon ya anne. Emina. Oh. Hung ne tangale. Ken hi kalazel mo ankam to.
Mama, turn off the mic.
Ankam to sa sausage. Aning lang kada kanawan kapyang I have to feed Emma. Emma, anne home ro di mai. Italian pizza is the best. Too good. Emma, hinyang aja. Emma, ano piaggio yan? Emma. I also have to eat. Emma also has to eat.
Ti piace?
Oh, visto la chiusura di lezione.
Di lezione dentro.
Okay guys, bye bye. I see you in next video.